Ever wondered how Belgium's iconic football jersey transforms from plastic into perfection?
It all begins with recycled polyester pellets entering a modern textile manufacturing facility.
These polyester pellets are melt at high temperature.
Heat melts the pellets before tiny spinnerets create thousands of ultra-fine synthetic fibers. Powerful spinning machines twist every fiber into durable yarn built for elite athletes. Advanced knitting machines transform yarn into lightweight, breathable performance fabric with incredible precision. Industrial dyeing gives the fabric Belgium's famous vibrant red, while ensuring lasting color durability. Every fabric roll undergoes strict quality inspections before moving toward the next manufacturing stage. Precision printing creates the bold, flame-inspired graphics that define Belgium's striking jersey design. Laser cutters shape every panel perfectly, eliminating waste while guaranteeing exceptional manufacturing accuracy. Expert stitching joins every panel into the recognizable Belgium football jersey worn by champions.
Next, the crest and premium details transform simple fabric into national football pride.
Computer-guided embroidery adds the official crest with remarkable speed, detail, and lasting durability.
Heat presses permanently bond numbers and labels without reducing the jersey's lightweight comfort. Skilled inspectors carefully examine every stitch, logo, color, and panel before approval for shipping.
Each jersey passes stretching tests to guarantee flexibility during the fastest football movements imaginable.
Moisture management testing ensures sweat evaporates quickly, keeping players cool throughout every intense match. Steam finishing creates the smooth professional appearance seen before every international football match worldwide. Automated folding systems prepare every jersey with perfect presentation before protective packaging begins. Protective packaging keeps every Belgium jersey clean, fresh, and ready for football fans everywhere. Finished jerseys enter automated warehouses before beginning their worldwide journey to eager supporters. Global logistics deliver Belgium jerseys from factory floors to stores across every football-loving nation. From factory machines to roaring stadiums, every jersey proudly represents Belgium's football passion. Elite athletes trust every stitch to perform under football's highest pressure and intensity.
Breathable materials help players stay cooler while maintaining comfort throughout demanding 90-minute matches.
Simple polyester transforms into an iconic jersey through precision engineering and expert craftsmanship every day.
Human expertise and advanced automation work together to achieve consistently outstanding manufacturing quality standards.
Only flawless jerseys receive final approval before leaving the factory for football fans worldwide.
Every completed jersey becomes a symbol connecting passionate supporters with their beloved national football team.
Millions proudly wear these jerseys while cheering Belgium through unforgettable football moments and victories.
Every manufacturing step contributes to creating one remarkable jersey built for world-class football performance.
Behind every Belgium jersey lies innovation, precision, dedication, and incredible industrial craftsmanship from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.